Hello friends, myself Dr. Nishant Srivastav from Technocrat Institute of Nursing. So today's we will continue the cardiovascular system chapter 1 class 2. So today's our topic is structure of heart. So as usual, you know about the heart. You already learned about heart in previous lecture. So heart as a pumping system, known as a pumping system, which circulate the blood all over the body. So today's we start structure of heart. So as previous lecture you learned, heart is a fist-like structure found in chest area, and this is the structure of heart. So you have seen that this is the heart borderline. This is the base area of the heart. This is the apex area of the heart. And heart is divided into two parts. One is the left part, one is the right part. So heart is another further divide into two parts. Left side is upper part and lower part, and right side also upper part and lower part. It is divided by the valve. So right side is divided by the right tricuspid valve, and left side divided by the mitral valve or bicuspid valve. It means bicuspid means two cusp is there, and tricuspid means three cusp is there. Cusp means cup-like structure. Valve is that. When the blood pushes down to the right atrium to the right ventricle, then valve is open. Then when the pressure is generated by the lower side, then valve is closed. So it is a one-way connection. So right atrium to right ventricle, as cursor shows. Right atrium to right ventricle. Same it is left atrium to left ventricle. It is a bicuspid valve. So when the left atrium is contracted, then the blood rush of blood is go through the mitral valve towards the left ventricle. So heart has four chambers. One is right atrium, right ventricle. This is the right side of the heart. Left atrium and left ventricle is left side of the heart. So total four chamber found in heart, and two seminal valve found in heart. One is tricuspid valve, another one is mitral valve or bicuspid valve. So one is tricuspid valve, one is mitral valve, another one is pulmonary valve, which found in pulmonary artery, which carries the blood from the right ventricle to the lungs for the purification, means oxygen intake and carbon dioxide exhale. After that, this valve is known as aortic valve, which is found in aorta, which circulate the blood all over the body, oxygenated blood towards the body. So this one is the aorta. There is a three-part: ascending aorta, arch of aorta, and descending aorta. So this one is superior vena cava, and this one is inferior vena cava. So it is a short review of heart. So heart has four chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle, and tricuspid valve and bicuspid valve, pulmonary valve, and aortic valve. Superior vena cava, inferior vena cava carries the blood from body to the heart, and aorta carries the blood from heart to the body, and pulmonary artery carries blood from right atrium to lungs, and four pulmonary veins carries oxygenated blood from lungs to left atrium. So it is a structure of heart. So in next lecture we will discuss about layer of the hearts and many more. Thank you.